If we want to have many delays, repeated delays, that effect is called echo. So an echo is just copies of a sound that has been delayed and attenuated. And for this, we do have a special unit generator in Nyquist. It's called feedback delay. And the algorithm is shown by this diagram. The input comes in, and it is stored in memory in a first in, first out FIFO queue. The samples at the end of the buffer are recycled, so they are brought around, they're scaled by some attenuation factor and added to the incoming sound. So this is an efficient way to allow us to make many copies of a sound that die away. The parameters here are the sound, which is the input, the delay, which is the length of this delay buffer, and feedback, which is the scale factor that's applied to this feedback path. A couple of notes about using echo. The duration of the output of this unit generator is the duration of the input. So if the input is supposed to come to an end and then be followed by multiple echoes, then what you really have to do is input a sequence of the sound that you want to apply the echo to, followed by silence, and so that silence extends the output so that you can hear the echo die away. Here's an example of how to write that. You'd say feedback sequence of the sound that you would normally put directly into the feedback delay, sequence of sound followed by srest, which is generate silence of any number you want. If you want 10 seconds to let the echo die away, then put in 10, and then the delay and feedback parameters. Delay is a fixed amount because this buffer is a fixed delay, and changing the delay length there is a little bit complicated. But the feedback can be a sound, so that you can control and vary the rate at which the sound dies away, or in some sense you can control the intensity of the echoes with a control signal. If you're interested in variable delays, look up variable delay in the index of the Nyquist manual.